Today I am making chili garlic noodles. So let us see how I do it. So in a vessel I have added in the vegetable Hakka noodles, also added in water, and I'm adding in some salt. Mix in well and I will be boiling it for about 10 minutes. So the strands should be like it should be completely cooked. Now I have switched off the flame and I'm draining out the water. Next I will be washing it under cold water. Cold or normal water. Necessarily it need not be cold. Just tap water, just keep on washing like this for 2 minutes. Basically the entire noodles should become cold. Immediately you need to do this. Wash well. And keep aside. Now in a frying pan I'm adding in oil. Onions, garlic paste. So we will do cook this until the onions are done. Once the onions are done, I'm adding in red chili powder, black pepper powder, some red chili flakes, mixed herbs, saute it for a minute. I'm also adding in some butter. tomato ketchup, vinegar, soy sauce, and some salt. Now I'll saute this and allow it to cook for about a minute. Keep sauteing. I'm also adding in some ghee. Mix once. Then I add in the cooked noodles. Now we toss the noodles in the sauce well. And cover and cook for about 2 minutes. Keep stirring in between. So after 2 minutes, just saute once. And lastly, I garnish it with some red chili flakes and mixed herbs. The precise ingredients are in the description box below. So after adding the mixed herb and red chili flakes, I mix once, switch off the flame, and it is ready to be served. Now I'm serving it on a plate. Enjoy it hot. And I'm topping it wet with some red chili flakes as well as mixed herbs. So enjoy your chili garlic noodles. If you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you on the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.